Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best budget voice recorders in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is EVISTR Digital Voice Recorder. This is a high-rated option for all those who are in the market for a new voice recorder and want something that offers all sorts of handy features without charging a premium for the same. This voice recorder is present in the first position of this list since this is a great high value for money option for many. Starting with its basic functionality, it offers 16 GB of storage capacity. With the help of this inbuilt storage, you can record MP3 and WAV file formats for up to 128 kbps and 1536 kbps bitrate ratings, which is quite high for the best possible audio quality. While you do get a micro USB connector and AUX connectivity with this voice recorder, it unfortunately does not come with a micro SD card slot for storage expansion. Set the AVR voice activated function, record only when the teacher is speaking, reduce blank and whispering snippets, save space and time. Recording your appointment, meetings, interviews, speeches, lectures easily. Number 2. Our second best pick is Sony ICD-PX370 Mono Digital Voice Recorder. This is one of the major and most popular brands of electronics, which also happens to be offering a few entry-level voice recorders for those who prefer audio quality over features. This voice recorder is present in the second position of this article because this is one of the best options out there if your primary focus is on the audio quality. Even though you only get 4 GB of inbuilt storage capacity with this voice recorder, that should not be an issue as you will see down below. That being said, since this is an entry-level offering from Sony, it can only record in MP3 format and not WAV. Coming to the best feature of this voice recorder, it not only has a USB connector and an AUX port, but you also get a micro SD card slot with it for easily expanding the storage as needed. So it is perfect for easily recording meetings, lectures and more in high-quality audio with this digital voice recorder featuring up to 57 hours of battery life and a built-in, direct USB connection for easy file transfer. Enjoy 4 GB of built-in memory, plus auto voice recording that reduces background noise so you can always hear what's being said. Number 3. Our third best pick is Sony ICD-BX1 44 GB Digital Voice Recorder. We have yet another voice recorder from Sony in this list, which is quite different from the previous one since this one is more ideal for standalone usage for those who want something basic. This voice recorder is a barebones unit that only offers basic functionality and might not be the best for a power user. Similar to the previous Sony voice recorder, this one also comes with just 4 GB of storage capacity. But the biggest issue is that it only offers an AUX jack and misses out on USB connectivity as well as a micro SD card slot, which makes transferring files impossible. But if you just want to record and play audio clips directly from this voice recorder, you will be glad to know that it supports MP3 and HVXC file formats for the best quality possible. Voice-activated recording for hands-free recording. Noise cut mode helps provide clear speech playback. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is EVISTR Digital Voice Recorder. In case you are tight on budget and looking for entry-level and affordable voice recorders, then RecJoy and its voice recorder models can be a great option for a lot of users out there. This voice recorder is the most affordable option given here, which makes it perfect for buyers restricted by their budget. Even though it is the cheapest option given here, you still get a decent storage capacity of 16 GB with this voice recorder. More importantly, it even records audio files in WAV format for the best possible audio quality. That being said, because of the entry-level pricing and the highly compact form factor of this voice recorder, it only offers USB connectivity. Small digital voice recorder USB for lectures, meetings and speeches, etc. Since it is designed in mini size, it will be very easy to carry in your pocket, purse or suitcase. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Q's Electronic 16GB voice-activated recorder. It is a much smaller brand of voice recorders when compared with other options out there, which still manages to offer some of the most unique options while talking about voice recorders. This voice recorder is one of the smallest options out there, which still manages to include most of the important features. Taking a look at the internals, you will be glad to know that this voice recorder comes with 16 GB of storage capacity. You can use this storage capacity to record audio in file formats like MP3, WAV, and WMV. Although, because of the given small form factor, this voice recorder only has a USB port as its only connectivity option. No annoying buttons, just press the switch to start and save the recording. Use included headphones to play, volume adjustment and file switching. The recorder also can be used as a USB storage. Just copy the required data files to the voice recorder without needing an additional memory card. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.